Hi there, happy Wednesday. All right, today we're going to start with our rhyming. Remember, you listen to me first and then you repeat. All right, them, hem, wear, care, leave, sleeve, home, comb, bring, sing. Nice job. The next one, we're going to do our onset fluency. I'm going to say a word, then the first sound you repeat. Can, k. Go, g. Jump, j. My, mm. Now, n. Very good. Next one, you're going to need your choppers out because we are going to do the parts of a word and then we're going to say the whole word as one, all right? First one, beep, beep. Lot, lot. Did, did. Cup, cup. Wag, wag. Very nice. All right. Next one, we're going to punch it out. Ready? So we're going to say the word and punch out the ending. Repeat after me. Globe, b. Rock, k. Off, f. Home, kiss, s. Nice. All right, next one, you need your choppers again. We're going to say the whole word, then we're going to chop it up. All right, our word is seek, s, eek. Kiss, k, is. Dot, d, ought. Fun, f, un. Save, s, ave. Very nice. Next one, we are going to add syllables. So get your hands out here. We're going to start with our rhyme and add our first sound to the beginning. Here we go. So in your hands, start with ought. Add d, dot. Ought. Add p, pot. Ought. Add h, hot. Ought. Add ool, lot. Ought. Add g, got. Very good. Next one, you're going to hold a word in your hand and we're going to take away a part. All right, the word is bed. Without b, what's left is ed. Shed. Without sh, what's left is ed. Lead. Without ool, what's left is ed. Red. Without what's left is ed. Fed. Without f, what's left is ed. Very good. All right. We're going to keep going with our rhyme today. Let's see if you remember. Listen to me first, then you say it. Little Bo Peep lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. Leave them alone. All right, we'll find out the rest of the rhyme tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.